Assay of chlorpheniramine maleate can be done by using non-aqueous titration principle because it is a weak amine or otherwise very weak base in water. Therefore, it is required to be titrated against in non-aqueous solvent, and for that we shall see its basic structure. It is having parachloro group, parachlorophenyl, 2 pyridyl substitution, then this propyl dimethyl amine with maleate as the salt. It is chemically it is same. It is a racemic mixture. It is having 4 chlorophenyl, that is parachlorophenyl. At the third position we have pyridyl 2-vial and the propyl derivative and NN dimethylamine, used as an antihistaminic H1 antagonist, and it is used in rashes and urticaria, and it can be titrated with 0.1 N perchloric acid, and it is crystal violet is used as the indicator, or potentiometric endpoint can be determined. Then we have to perform the procedure. So here potassium hydrogen phthalate is used as the standardization of perchloric acid, which is to be the potassium hydrogen phthalate has to be dried at 120 degrees centigrade for 2 hours, and it is dissolved in glacial acetic acid, and then crystal violet in again acetic acid is used and titrated with 0.1 N prepared perchloric acid till the violet color changes to blue green color. Now we have to perform the blank. We have to perform the blank, and the molarity of the perchloric acid is calculated by amount of weight taken, that is usually it is 0.5 grams or 0.7 grams. That depends on the procedure and the strength of the perchloric acid. Then it is the molecular weight, equivalent weight factor, and then it is produced. Then comes the preparation of perchloric acid solution. So we need to have glacial acetic acid and 25 ml of acetic anhydride, so that it removes any water present in the glacial acetic acid or the solvent, any other solvent used, especially with this one, perchloric acid. So it is 8.5 ml of perchloric acid is used, and we have to dilute it with glacial acetic acid 1000 ml. So this anhydride is used for removing water molecule present in the glacial acetic acid and perchloric acid. So we have to keep it for 24 hours. Excess acetic anhydride to be combined with water to become acetic acid. So the water content should not be more than 0.02 to 0.05% in perchloric acid solution. Then the assay. Dissolve 0.4 gram of chlorpheniramine maleate. It should be dried and it is dissolved in acetic acid. Then it is titrated against 0.1 m perchloric acid, blue green to green, with the help of crystal violet, and we have to perform blank. So, this is the procedure, and we have the equivalent factor 19.543 milligrams of chlorpheniramine maleate is equivalent to 0.1 ml 0.1 molar perchloric acid. So, the calculation we have to make, and the tabular column is like this. We should have the contents of the flask, initial reading, final reading, and actually it is final volume. It is final volume, or otherwise we can say the volume of perchloric acid consumed. Okay. So, the everything, this is the calculation part. Weight of the drug, equivalent weight factor, that is what is that? This is for perchloric acid standardization, and titer value we have to put here. That will give you the normality or molarity of the perchloric acid. And for the assay of perchloric acid, it is just here this table is correct. Okay. So, 0.4 gram of sample, acetic acid, crystal violet, then we have to do blank, blue green to green, what is that, violet to blue green, all those things it is noted here, initial reading, final reading,